Alright, here we have a 2020 4x4 Sprinter that the customer requested a few upgrades with our hit the ground running package. So yeah, I guess we'll start there. Got a CRL T-Venting Window that was installed to complement the factory sliding window that we have here. I mean, it doesn't slide, it's in place, but it's on the slider door. Let's see. This one's got the rear glass, rear wipers. Got an Espar diesel heater exhausting out here on the driver's side. Let's go on in here. This one was pre-loaded from the factory. Got the power sliding door. Let's see here. We got Lonseal black coin flooring with a couple of sticks of L-Trac for some tie-down points, in addition to the factory D-rings. This is where typically we put the Espar heater underneath the passenger seat, but this one came with an auxiliary battery, and this one has that additional battery there. So we place the box here. So this houses the diesel heater, and then we've also got a separate fuse block, which is so we got the Espar, and then we got the Max fan power coming from there, from that fuse block. And then you may have seen this 3-panel bed system that we got in here without any panels up, but panels can be added in the future. You can completely, so yeah, 3-panel removable bed system. Got some galvanized steel support, and then let's see, 10 8mm nut zerts holding these bed rails, and then yeah, the three panels. So completely removable. Stack up the panels, 2 panels on the last one, or what have you. And got the Freedman fold-away 2-person seat with see, over-the-shoulder seat belts. Lagun Table Mount. This is kind of what this is like, kind of behind the scenes. Typically, you don't see this support because a panel hides it, but again, galvanized steel there supporting this Lagun table. This customer went with bamboo for the finish. Let's see, let's swivel this seat and down this Freedman here. See, this has got powered seats. Let's see if I have the memory correct to swivel. Oh, the steering wheel. Alright, seat swiveled. This Lagun articulates. And now Freedman's coming down. Doing this with one hand, mind you. First part, second part. No assistant here. Boom. Freedman seat down. Plenty of clearance there for the bed. And then your Lagun table that a few people can share. Maybe even this passenger as well. There's the CRL T-Venting Window from the inside here. Good addition. A much better view for these passengers as opposed to just a sheet metal. Oh, there's the fan. I don't know if I showed that. Most rear position. Remote controlled. You can have it on while you're driving. Let's see if I can get a view of it. Rain sensor, or excuse me, you can have it on while it's raining. No moisture will get in. It's the 7500 MaxxAir fan Deluxe with remote control. What we got down there? Let's turn it on, huh? I typically have mine set to auto, so you can set like a room temperature to 65 degrees or 70 degrees, say, and then it will automatically turn on or off once it hits that temperature point that you set it to. So, cool fan, great addition. So yeah, I believe this customer is coming back in the future to add some finishing wall paneling. Oh, almost forgot the Shuxon shelf here. Get out of the sun, huh? For some additional storage up here. Just high enough so it won't hit your head too hard. You got some L-track in the shelf as well. Got to utilize every bit of space that you have, and the shelf does wonders for storage. Anyway, that's kind of our hit the ground running package here at Launch Vans / EM Motors. Check out our Instagram, our Facebook, and if you're watching this video, then this is our YouTube channel. Try to keep content going, but you'll have to excuse us in our lapses. Let's check this out in the back. Alright, take care. Message, comment, if any questions, concerns, or yes, comments. Until next time. Bye.